Chef Beth. We have done, we're trying something new. We've brined some chicken tenders in pickle juice. Now, I've seen this on the internet, and we just made pickles this past weekend.
How many gallons? 5.
I don't know.
3.5 and 1.5.
3, yeah.
5.
We made a lot of pickles. Anyway, we ate a jar and we had pickle juice left. So I have brine. As you can see, the brine's already started cooking the chicken.
She wouldn't let me drink it.
No, because I wanted it for the brine. We're going to try this out.
Show them how to do one.
Okay. I'm going to toss a tender in some seasoned flour.
Any particular season or just?
It's got Poultry Seasoning, which is a mixture of thyme, nutmeg,
Okay.
and salt and pepper.
All right.
I'm gonna do a double coat, dip it in egg wash, and back in the flour.
So flour, egg wash, flour again. After marinating. How long was it in the pickle juice?
We did that brine for 6 hours.
6 hours. And that is homemade pickle juice.
And it's a Kosher Dill pickle.
We didn't raise this chicken.
All right, so we're gonna take our chicken out of the dredge, place it in some good hot oil, fry it up, and we're just gonna do one test, see how it does.
What oil are you using?
This is a canola.
Okay. Golden already. Alright, Chef Beth is the man.
Woman.
Low man. Well, the low man is the man, right? I was going with the abbreviation.
Okay, so we're going to do a taste test of our first brined fried chicken tender. Looks really juicy. That's really good. People think brining is silly. I have yet to have any poultry that's been brined that has not been incredibly flavorful and juicy. This is awesome. Give it a try.
Take what's mine. Well, I'm tired of y'all playing dress up, trying to sing a more country song. Oh man, some days you kill it, some days you choke, some days you blast on, some days you just